Okay, another ripping day with Mr. Tear. So we got now the 2020-2021 Illusions NBA trading cards. So 6 packs, 6 cards per pack. So this is Anthony Edwards and Tyrese Halliburton here. So hopefully we can get a good rookie or auto or all-star. Let's check. Let's begin here. Ooh. Let's see if we can tear. Oh, yeah. Let's. Ooh. Okay, let's do this. Be careful so we would not damage the cards. So we have 6 cards. 6. We have our first base card, Kemba Walker. Another base card, which is Harrison Barnes. Another base card, which is Kelly Oubre. So I think the next card would be Nets. Ben Simmons ba ito? Hits. It's Blake Griffin. Wow. It's purple. Check natin Wait. Purple. Numbered ba? Hindi naman numbered, but purple to. Hindi ko alam kung anong card to. We'll check in the checklist later. Our next card is Chris Butcher, Raptors. And Kings. Woo! Alam ko si Tyrese is Kings that time. Bang! We got a rookie card of Tyrese Halliburton. Ganda Congratulations to us. And the card is good. Let's sleeve this. So usually kapag pinagrade to would be ang ano niya is since illusion siya, ang surface is talagang hindi makinis gawa ng holographic niya. But we have a good hits and a Blake Griffin purple. Not numbered, but a good card.